Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another most awaited and the most special video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. So let's get started. In this video I will show you that how you can extract the data from Google Maps using multi-processing scrapper that I have developed in Python for my clients. So this is the most awaited. The basic introduction. This is the settings.json file, and this file is used to show you the number of values I've set. So basically it's a multi-threaded application, and I have basically set down total threads. So I would have set down to five threads working. So first we will crawl the links of the Google Maps. Here are the Google Maps. The links of Google Maps, I'm going to scrap it. For example, I want to search down the real estate offices in Islamabad. I'm from Pakistan, Islamabad. So it should be the bunch of number of the results. So I'm gonna scrap down this whole data using this. So I have already set down the search query pizza restaurants in New York City, and I want number of time to scroll down the web screen is 5 times, and it will scroll the data into the Google Key Maps string, and this is total threads. So basically these are not threads, these are basically process. It's a multi-processing application, and I will show you because there is a huge concept of huge difference between multi-threading and multi-processing. So I'm gonna start this application. Basically this is the settings JSON file. So I'm gonna open this gmaps links scripple, the Visual Studio Code, a Python machine, and I'm gonna run this Python file. So wait for some moments. It will run in the open. It will open the data. Now the Playwright open Google Maps using Playwright software, amazing web application, and now you can see it automatically scroll down the web screen, and it will do the same process 5 times. This is the fastest one. This is not like the previous version. I have uploaded this last video onto my YouTube channel, which was very slow there. I've received a lot of complaints, a lot of issue from my clients. They select me, and you can see all the URLs are written to the gmaps links.xl. Now I'm gonna open this file, and now you can see there is a bunch of the URLs, and they are total 54 URLs. So now here is the thing come. Now there is the bot I have developed, and now you can see the magic begins. So this is the multi-processing application, multi-threaded, whatever it is. I'm going to change the name. Wait a minute. So I'm going to change it total sys. So sorry for this kind of interruption, and I'm going to change this variable name. So this is I've saved the settings of settings.json file, and now I'm gonna run this. So now you can see this. Now you can see this. There are the multiple number of the web screen and open, and I'm gonna open each web screen. I'm gonna divide the screen into. You can say this. There is a division process. My screen monitor screens are not very good, not too much, but you can see it was multi-threaded application. So I'm gonna run this. So here is it. I'm gonna run this. Okay, So here is it. This is the third window, and this is the fourth window. Because everybody wants to achieve the concurrency, the parallelism, and we have something very excited, very excited. So now you can see this, because now here is it. Now I'm gonna arrange this some sort of, I love this kind of stuff. Now it will extract down the data, and it will showing you that how fast is it, how speedy that part is, that it simply scrap the data. Now you can see this. Okay, it was highly dependent on your internet speed, that how your internet speed is working. If it was a fast internet, then the result will be more faster. The more faster the HTML render, and more fast it will scrape down the data. And now you can see in the console section, you can see this how the data was scraping. So this whole process was completely automated, and we can see this. So I hope this will take a less amount of time. So this is basically asynchronous multi-threaded application to extract data from Google Maps. So it's taken me a lot of a time, a lot of a hard work, a lot of courage. It required me to learn the concept of asynchronous IO-based programming, and I finally upload this data onto my uh, YouTube channel. So now you can check this out. Now you can check. I cannot skip any part of the video, so I hope it takes some sort of time, because it was facing. Now you can see the one browser window was open. It means that all the URL was successfully scrapped, and the more data it is, now you can see they become uh, okay. Now check this out. How fast is it? Now it's all been mostly near equals. Now you can see I am refreshing the screen. So here is it. All the data was scrapped, and the data was stored in the gmaps data.xls file. Okay. Here is the data file. So let me show you the data. Now you can see here is the data. It contains the email addresses, it contains the phone numbers. It could be anything related to the So here is it. Now you can see this. Check this out. This is amazing. It contains all the amount of the required stuff: Facebook account, Instagram account, YouTube, TikTok, if any something. So the most important is the email address. Is the email address and the business name. Okay, so here is it. Now the address. Now you can see, you can find this data. So through this, you can see this. Now there is a huge amount of maybe some sort of information was missing, but there is a final piece of data we have achieved through Google Map data scraping. So it's all over for this video. So thanks for the time, and I mentioned my details into the description. If you need this script, you can just directly send me a message into my WhatsApp.